Another artistic box, guys. I call it the seesaw box. It is perfectly balanced. Got two tubs. You take the top of one tub and it presents you with your rings and your earrings. You put the top back on and it's perfectly balanced again. It is just it in a bit, guys. What an elegant looking box, guys. The seesaw box. Just drilling out the buckets now. Okay guys, you see how I drilled the holes in the tops of the buckets to hold the rings and earrings? And pouring the lead to make the buckets stable. The seesaw box. Please subscribe, guys.